Hello everyone, I'm Yaping Wang. Today I will introduce a Microsoft Excel add-in. It's called Decision Tree. Decision Tree is a tool to visualize a course of actions, statistical probability outcomes, or option pricing, and how we can use it. First, we can enter the data and then open or create a spreadsheet containing any raw data you need to make your decision tree, such as the potential costs, and then create your own decision tree. And we can see the picture in the PowerPoint. It is also an example of the decision tree. And there are some features of these add-ins. First, user can select different fonts in the setting window for the tree labels. Second, adjustable node size of the tree by using the max font size setting. Third, mouse over the chart to view the data detail in the tooltips. At last, easy to use and user-friendly are the key features of this add-in. Sample data can be the template to build on data. Finally, there is an advantage of the decision tree. The chart is binding to the data table in the sheet, and the chart is updating when the data is entering, so it's very convenient to use. That's all. Thank you for your listening.